This company ALLPOWERS keeps sending me crap, so I figured I'd review it. I'll be giving this and their S200 power station away at the end of this video, so stick around and figure out how you can enter those sweepstakes. This is a folding solar panel. It's actually pretty neat. Folds out, and then you can set it up any which way. And because it's folding, you can kind of set it up and it'll actually stand there. I kind of like that feature. The power output, as well as the other cables and that kind of stuff that it comes with, they're all located in here. It comes with power output cables and some carabiners, so you can hook it to the truck or wherever. You could tie it up if you're camped in the same spot for a long time. I could see this being useful for someone who does a lot of RVing, or somebody who's living out of their SUV or something like that. And it has USBs on the side, which is super handy, including a USB-C, so you can charge all sorts of crap with that. But the power bank is they sell these in like some sort of a combo kit, so you can buy the solar panel and this guy. And I've got a discount code to share with you as well if you want to buy it. If you really wanted to conserve weight and space, these would be ideal for you, because you can easily pack them down into like a drawer system or something like that. Whereas the bigger power banks, you kind of just have to strap it somewhere. It's not all that portable. But this guy has two AC output ports. There's a DC in on the side, a USB-C on the side, and then you've got the USB-A's on the front here. The screen is super helpful. It tells you exactly how much power you're putting in and out of it. So if you've got it hooked up to a solar panel while you're charging something, you can monitor all of that information at the same time. Of course, you can read information like how many hours you have left based on the power output, and the percentage of the battery inside here. It's pretty well made. Because I'm giving this one away, I don't really want to go too hard on it. I could pour some water and throw it at a tree or something, but I figure I'll be a little bit more gentle since this one's going out to one of you guys. The wireless charging seems to be working. I'm getting a little bit of power, so that's nice. Showing 40 hours left on 99%, and there you can see the inputs and outputs. So pretty cool. Obviously I can't really speak to the longevity of this since I've only had it for about a week, but I've used it a couple of times, and it's nice for just toting it around. There have been a few times I've gone to a coffee shop and needed to charge my laptop, and whatever. Works great for that. Over on the back side here, you see the DC and Type-C ports. There's also some controls for the USB and AC out. You can turn those on and off, so they're not always running, which is great for conserving power. And the wireless charger actually works on and off just by simply placing your phone or whatever device on top of it. So right now it's working. You move the device and it's not powered on anymore. So pretty convenient there. And yeah, in case you're wondering, I go hard on the phone just like everything else. The thing's kind of beat up. The little tabs on the solar panels are for the carabiners, so you can attach it and then run a string between some trees, or attach it to your roof rack or something. Those are handy, nice little design. I used the carabiners, and the Gamma Video rack makes it a lot easier just to put that thing on there. But you could get all sorts of power out of this thing just by attaching it to the side of your truck. pretty neat. And the last thing I almost forgot to mention is that the power bank comes with an AC charger, so you can get that, and there you go. Pretty well packaged, perfect fit in these boxes. And there it is. So check out in the description below, I have a deal for you guys. I think it's 20% off, it might be 25. But this kit right here, these two items, if you need them. And I'll go over the sweepstakes for the giveaway real quick. Well, this week we hit 10,000 followers and 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. And I just wanted to say thank you so much to the community for supporting me. It's been an awesome experience starting the business from pretty much nothing. So thank you so much to everybody who helped me get here. And stay tuned, because we've got some pretty interesting things to come. I wanted to help you guys out a little bit, so I've got a sweepstakes here for you. If you'd like to get your hands on a 200-watt portable power station plus a folding solar panel, you should check out my buddies over at ALLPOWERS. They've got a great little kit set up for you guys. I've got a discount code for you as well, but if you'd like to enter the sweepstakes, check out the description of this video below and figure out how you can enter to win it. Thank you all so much for supporting me along the journey, and good luck in the sweepstakes. I'll see you around.